Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to add the calendar widget to the lock screen in this device. So first of all, go to the lock screen. Now press and hold the lock screen. Now draw the pattern. So here we can edit the lock screen. Okay. Otherwise, go to settings. Okay. Now tap on the option lock screen and AOD. Scroll down. Here you can see the option edit lock screen. Tap on this one. So tap on this icon widget. Now tap on style. Now swipe right. Here you can see the calendar widget. Tap on this one. Now you can see calendar widget is on your lock screen. Tap on done. Now go to the lock screen. You can see the calendar widget is here. So simply in this way we can add the calendar widget on the lock screen in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.